right. So I just sit here and that's fine.
Yeah, it's good. Just look right here.
Right there.
That's good.
All right. Okay. So how does this work now? Do I just answer some questions or I tell you about myself?
Well, I'm gonna ask you some questions, and then kind of that'll move things along, and then you can just take it from there.
That sounds good.
All right. And don't be nervous. We get a lot of applicants every day, so we'll take you through it slowly. Firstly, state your name and age, and something about yourself.
Well, my name is Joe. I'm 21 years of age and I'm a simple guy.
Okay. What is it that you're looking for?
Well, to be honest, I'm looking for laughter. I'm looking for happiness. As cliche as it sounds, just someone I can share life experiences with.